Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to swap AIT token on Trust Wallet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Trust Wallet app, which of course I have done right here. Now, when you launch it, you're going to be asked to either enter your passcode or your biometrics, and that's going to take you right into the homepage for Trust Wallet. So I'd like you to know that Trust Wallet is a secure self-custody crypto wallet supporting 10 million plus assets across 70 plus blockchain, including crypto. Now you can buy, sell, swap, transfer, and earn cryptocurrencies all in one place. Isn't that interesting? So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task. I'm sorry, that was a blackout, which is how to swap AIT token on Trust Wallet. Now from the home page, head over to the bottom of your screen. You're going to find Home, Swap, Earn, Discover, and Browser. Go ahead and click on Browser, and it's going to take you here in the search bar. If you do not have PancakeSwap.finance as part of your history, you're going to have to type in the search bar PancakeSwap.finance. I have it in my history, so I'm not going to really stress myself with that. I'm just going to click on that, PancakeSwap.finance. And it's going to take me to the PancakeSwap window. So I'm here. If you have not connected your PancakeSwap to your Trust Wallet, at the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find the connect button. Click on that. It's going to take you through. It's going to take you to a window where you're going to have a couple options. So go ahead and select Trust Wallet. Once you select Trust Wallet, it'll take you to another window where you're gonna need the permission for you to connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. So complete that process to connect, and after connecting, it's going to take you right in here. So where you have this ETH, click on that, Ethereum, and in here you're going to have to type in AIT. So it has not been imported. So this is AIT, and this AIT on AI chain, and then you have AIT protocol. So let's say we're using the first one. So click on this I understand to import. After importing, you're going to see here. So you have AIT. So you can swap this AIT for, let's say, BNB. I'm going to import BNB, click on understand and import. So that's it. So here you're going to have to select the amount of AIT. And over here we have BNB. You're going to find the balance. So let's say 3,000. You're supposed to get the balance in here, but okay, it's not there. It's not showing up because we have insufficient liquidity for this trade. But if you have sufficient liquidity for this trade, then you're going to see the balance in BNB. Now you can change this BNB to any other token that you want to swap your AIT for. So you're going to see the balance you're going to get. And here we have this insufficient liquidity for this trade. You're going to see an option that's going to take you like the preview button. So once you click on that, it's going to take you to the next step of completing your transaction. Now, after that has been completed successfully, you'll see that you will be able to successfully swap your AIT token for BNB or whatever token that you use on Trust Wallet. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.